Begin with gathering ingredients. 6 cups of thinly sliced, peeled apples, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon ground nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. For the crust, you'll need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons shortening, and 4 to 6 tablespoons cold water. Start by preparing the crust. In a medium mixing bowl, combine flour and salt. Cut in the shortening until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add cold water, 1 tablespoon at a time, tossing with a fork until the dough forms a ball. Divide the dough in half and shape each half into a disc. Wrap in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, combine apples, sugar, flour, cinnamon, salt, nutmeg, and lemon juice. Toss to coat. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit 220 degrees Celsius. On a lightly floured surface, roll out one portion of dough to fit a 9-inch pie plate. Transfer dough to pie plate. Trim even with the edge of the plate. Add the apple filling. Roll out the remaining dough to fit top of pie. Place over filling. Trim, seal, and flute edges. Cut slits in the top. Brush with a little milk or egg wash if desired. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until crust is golden brown and filling is bubbly. Cool on a wire rack before serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade apple pie.